You were so upset yesterday.
Nagsunog sa... Uy, di ba dito?
Ah,
Ha?
parking space.
Let's go.
Eating on front of Angkong is
Yeah.
bad.
Eh, no, it's not too bad. Ang kung...
Can I taste one na? Sian? I want to wake up. Careful.
You're making me on fire.
The flower.
Wait. Where are?
There's a parcel.
Where's their package?
What you put there?
I'm gonna keep the Cheetos
Ang kung you want to eat Cheetos.
because I'm hungry. Can we go check on him?
Ang kung, how are you?
We need to buy flowers. I have three 1,000s.
Hello, ang kung.
There?
Hindi. No, this one. Ito di ano.
Where's the gray one?
Wala pang ganito ano.
Follow up namin sa pyramid.
Parang nakita ko dun 1 month.
That's your Hong and Ama. That's my daddy and my mom.
And this one?
That's our neighbor in Lady Bay. Your flowers.
Take one
Put
flower.
in the
One
side.
is mine, okay?
You put it here at the foot.
So that it will grow.
You plant it.
Ew. No, let me. Ay, ay,
Magkano ito ah?
Libre.
it's gonna grow.